Even when we're not speaking, we communicate a wealth of information. Here are some interesting beliefs about sneezing. Sneezing once or 3 times in a row is considered a bad omen, but sneezing twice is seen as lucky. If you happen to sneeze at the same time as another person, it's believed that both of you will enjoy good fortune. It's also customary to respond verbally to someone's sneeze, with phrases like "bless you" or "Gesundheit" to ensure luck follows. These small gestures and superstitions reflect how deeply ingrained cultural beliefs can be in our everyday actions, even in something as natural as a sneeze.